Before you throw away your Katadyne BeFree, watch this video. I don't know if this has ever happened to you. Last September, I went on a hike up to North Kinsman, part of the Flags on the 48. And on the way back down, I needed to refill my water. So I pulled out my handy dandy Katadyne BeFree water filter. And I went to fill up my water bottle, squeezed it, and nothing came out. Had we been further down, further away from the parking lot, or I didn't have somebody who had a water filter, this could have been a very bad thing. So I got home very upset because my Katadyne had always worked for me, worked very well, and I just couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. What I later found out is that if you don't use your Katadyne for an extended period of time, the hollow filter, the hollow tubes that do the filtering will dry out. So what you have to do, obviously, I've learned this, test your water filter before you go out. If it doesn't filter or there's no water flow through it, what you do is you soak the water filter in purified water. It's got to be purified water. Can't be tap water. It's got to be purified water. So go to the store, buy some bottled water that says purified. I use Dasani. And you soak it in that purified water for about 30-35 minutes, depending on how long it's been since you've used it, to re-wet the filter tubes. Once that's done, this is good to go, and you can use it just like you have in the past. And the reason I like the Katadyne BeFree, it's really easy to use, as I said in the previous video. All you really have to do to clean your water, you can just fill the water up into the bag straight from the water source. Put your filter in. Now to clean out the filter, you can either swish it in the water source itself. So like in your stream, you just swish it around and will clean it out for you. Or you just fill up your water bottle or your Katadyne bag and you swish it back and forth, and that will clean out any residue or any silt or whatever, and it's good to use again. So you can go right out and filter it. But as I said, if it's been a while since you've used this and this is dried out, you need to re-wet it by soaking your filter in purified water like Dasani, or I figure about 35 minutes. The longer the better. The longer you do it, the better the water flow. So again, if you're having trouble with your Katadyne BeFree water filter and it doesn't have the flow that it had in the past, or it doesn't filter at all, remember to re-wet it. So as with any hiking gear, you want to make sure it's ready to go, so test it before you go out. If you found this video informative and you'd like to see more, the video that'll pop up right here, I know you'll like. And if you did like this video, like I said, give me a thumbs up. And until I see you again in my next video, this is Paul, signing off.